Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Python's max function. This versatile tool helps you quickly find the largest value in various data structures. Whether you're working with a list of numbers, a collection of strings, or comparing individual items, max provides a straightforward solution. It's a fundamental part of Python's built-in functions, making it incredibly convenient for everyday programming tasks. Let's dive into its practical applications. When using max, with an iterable, you pass a single collection of items. For example, with a list of numbers like 10, 20, 5, max, will return 20. If you pass a string, it compares characters based on their Unicode values. Remember, passing an empty iterable, like an empty list or tuple, will result in a value error, so always ensure your iterable contains at least one item. Alternatively, max can take multiple individual arguments. For instance, max 1, 5, 3 will directly return 5. This is useful when you have a few distinct values you want to compare without first putting them into a list or tuple. Just ensure all the arguments you provide are of compatible types, such as all numbers or all strings, to avoid type errors during comparison. For more advanced scenarios, the key argument allows you to customize how max determines the largest item. You provide a function to key, and max will apply this function to each item before comparison. For example, you could find the longest string in a list by setting key equals len. This powerful feature offers immense flexibility, letting you define precisely what maximum means for your specific data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.